Good afternoon everyone, I'm Cici. What do you usually do with your car radio? I think most drivers would say playing music or listening to a radio broadcast. If there is no touchscreen radio in your car, they seem to be the only thing that you can do. I'm not saying that kind factory radio is not good. As you can notice, touchscreen radio can bring more benefits and help to our drive. More and more drivers prefer touchscreen radio and they have or install one in their car. In this video, I will tell you how powerful the touchscreen radio will be by taking Seicane's upgraded Tesla-style radio for Subaru Outback as an example. Look at there, this is a vertical screen radio, 9.7 inch in size. It looks very glossy and exquisite, so you can see everything super clear on the display. It carried Android 10 system and 8-core CPU, being able to keep stable performance. You don't need to worry about it will stuck suddenly. You can use this radio to do lots of great things, not just listen to music or radio broadcast. For example, there is built-in GPS model supporting both online and offline navigation app from Google Play. Therefore, wherever you go, you will have reliable navigation information, arriving destination in a fast and safe way. Compared to the other factory radio, the most useful feature of this unit is that it gives the car the ability to display the driving images. That's to say, you can install an external rear-view camera to the car. Then, when you reverse and park the car, the radio screen will automatically switch to the real images to help you see the real situation clearly, so you can reverse and park the car conveniently. When it comes to internet connection, there are two ways that you can do. By Wi-Fi hotspot or by 4G network. When there is 4G network, you can do everything such as games playing, online video watching, or music listening, etc. C. With a multifunctional radio system, you will never feel bored when waiting for someone or traffic light. There are different style radio systems on our website. Welcome to visit it. You can also contact us for more information. We are always here whenever you need. Thanks for watching. See you next time.